How to fix Instagram data download problems. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down to the bottom and under the More Info and Support tab, you will see the Help option. Tap on that and further tap on the Report a Problem option and then tap on the Include and Continue button you see there. You will then be led to this type of interface. Here, tap on the text box and further type in your issue. Be specific about your problem for better responses. For instance, I will type in, I am not being able to download my Instagram data or information. Please help me review my account and further fix the issue. Attach any type of screenshots or images you have as a proof and further tap on the send button on the top right of your screen, and with this, your issue will be reported and Instagram will send you a reply within 24 hours regarding the same. So this is how you can fix Instagram data download problems. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.